So quick trade recap of the day. Today is Thursday, the 28th of May 2026, and we go to this price action. And the two trades I ended up taking today, I took one break even and one win, which sets up my P&L on May for plus 6.2, which is unbelievable. I don't know how the fuck I'm performing. Like, I'm performing like the best of my ability. Like, it's crazy what you can do at 17. Like, if this shit would be real and not all demo because I'm a fucking kid, I would have got a. What the fuck, man? Like, I created this fucking eval on my demo broker. And with alpha futures rule, you have 40% consistency and you need to make $6,000. And look at the last 30 days on this account. These are my winning trades and these are my losing trades. Like this is break even, and this was also a break even that but I lost 600 because a fucking war candle, like news candle, just completely fucking fucked me in the ass. And the winning days all under consistency, all under like the 40% consistency is at 2,400, and I never made more than this, so just passed it today. It's unbelievable. I just passed my first eval demo, of course, bro. It's like gay as fuck, but I'm too young for this shit, so I have to do this. So coming into the day, I actually had a bullish bias. Okay. So coming into today, I was obviously leaning. I looked at the forward chart, see, oh, okay, fuck, we are clearly just trending higher. We have this new week opening gap that is completely filled, or he has filled it, like not fully, but he has sort of filled it, and he has took out this low, making this an SMT, and overnight we see a strong reaction off of this, confirming a really good bullish bias. If we look on a 30-second, we can see that we have this internal low that we perfectly just turtle soup. We perfectly get this beautiful turtle soup and just see a reaction off of this. Market open, I'm just sitting here seeing, yo, we just clearly disrespected all of these bearish PDAs. So I just want to see that 30-minute condition, this 30-minute gap right here to pretty much hold, like pretty much just get traded into, respect C of it, see good structure, good PO3, blah, 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 blah. Market open, opens high, we told you that high. I was not interested in taking any shots because my bias was overall more bullish. Then we end up just going lower, going lower, going lower. We are inside of this 30-minute PDA right now, but I just didn't got any entry up of this. Like, I really got no entry up of this. There was just no entry. Like at this point, once we swept this low and started displacing lower from this, I just said, yo, fuck, I'm going to delete this shit off my chart, and I'm going to have this data wick. Like, it's not a data wick, but it's a data candle, because we had CPI, like something like this, like CPI shit, came down into this gap, pretty much had a 30-second right here. I was open to take, but I don't know why I didn't took it. I think it was not obvious enough for me. I just faded the 30-second long. Then we got lower. I pretty much tapped this 30-minute right here. Yes. And then we start to see we get a CIC. We had a change in a state of delivery plus a 30-second IVG. Let's see if I can get this shit going. 30-second. Absolutely fucking not. I don't know what the fuck this shit is. Yeah, it's hardcore gay, but I can't show you. Like, we had a 30-second right here. I'm pretty healthy. Like, it was something like this or something close above. Entered right off of this. Yes, at this point, also bullish. Although we have SMTs and ESs inside of these 5 minutes. I didn't really care about it because we also had SMT at these lows. I pretty much just really liked. I guess so. Yeah, we had SMT from here to here, so pretty nice. Entered right off of this, and then I went break even once we tagged this 5. And okay, I risk 1 to 1.5% because I wanted to pass the eval in one trade and targeted my take profit level to pass the evaluation. Yes. So why did I win break even at these 5 minutes? Given the fact that I know that we troubleshoot that high, that this is high resistance. I need to make this shit a bit. Even though I know this shit is high resistance and I didn't really see a reason for my stop to get manipulated, but then I looked at the 5 minute and I saw, yo fuck, we are rejecting these gaps. Okay, like look at this candle, we are rejecting these gaps. And then I guess we got a bit of a move up here. I don't know, I said my, like, I saw that we rejected this 5 minute and I then just went break even. Why the fuck? What the fuck did I went break even? I just thought, yeah, we're rejecting this. We also have SMT with yes. No, we don't have SMT actually, like not necessary, like not good SMT. Recap's gone too long. I just got subbed out. I don't know why I went break even. I think I could have done better here. It's just not going break even these 5 minutes because my stop is kind of high resistance. And these gaps don't really matter. I went break even, I don't fucking know why, and we just hit straight TP after this. I saw many people taking this CST. I didn't like it because my bias was bullish, and if my bias is bullish, I'm not shorting. But my emotions, oh my god, I completely forgot. My emotions were crazy today. Like I had crazy emotions because I knew this was the last day to pass the evaluation demo yes, paper. I said in, I guess I said in the limit order right here, but I had the luck that it didn't got filled. Like I said my limit right here, but at this point price was already here, so it didn't got filled, could have been stopped. So pretty nice in my favor. And then we just came up and then we just had the first news candle. I don't know what the fuck this shit is. Like Trump just please stop. And we just pumped up, okay? We pumped up. I saw this 5 minute as our condition to frame prices higher from this point. This 5 minutes sponsored up with these 30-minute gaps. And I wanted to see some form of stacked PO3. Wanted to see some form of stacked PO3 so I can take longs off of this. We had 10-15 open high low close, open low. I wanted to see a 10-15 open low high close. We tagged CEO of this and got a inversion to the upside, not right here. At this point I saw, yo fuck, we have this 2 minute fair value gap. If we close above this, I'm genuinely not taking this because we have 10:30. And I wanted, because at 10:30 we are going to create this 50-minute gap, so I would have a ample 50-minute gap as my at my stop loss. We disrespected the 2 minute. I didn't took it. We disrespected it. We disrespected it right here. I didn't took it because we had 10:30, which should manipulate in some kind of way, which it does. My read was completely right, as you will see. I saw 10:30 open high, not sweeping any significant liquidity, which is so fucking good, Going lower, we had an unfold 50-minute right here. We also had it up, yes, we actually ended up creating SMT at this unfold 50-minute. So here's Texas 50-minute, giving us SMT, and this SMT is valid because both pairs are an export of distribution, because NQ is still respecting this 5-minute, and ES just gives us more confirmation just by tagging this 15-minute and creating that SMT. And then we got this 1 minute right here, where we got our next, news candle. I don't know what the fuck this shit is, like it was the last 10 seconds. Although we were inside of this 2 minute, I said, yo fuck, my conviction is high enough to just take the 1 minute. I set my stop right here at this low because this was a 30-second order block. And yeah, first of all, we got we moved down, didn't disrespect the 2 minute. I said, yo fuck, this shit is not gonna work out, I'm getting good. Then we ended up disrespecting the 2 minute. And I thought, am I gonna break even at these highs? Am I gonna break even with these highs? Yes, at this spot isn't in any significant type of spot. Yes, it's kind of turning bullish, not really bullish yet. Like starting to disrespect some PDAs and respect bullishness. So yes, it's kind of looking bullish too. Now we moved up. We swept 10, 10, 15, 10, 30 high. I thought about, yo, fuck, am I gonna break even here? No, because I want to see this draw get tagged. What the fuck do we get next? Look at this shit. Look, last 15 seconds again. Maybe I can show you this on the fucking graph. No. Fuck you, buddy. Oh, yes, it should work. No, it should. Can I pull out the 10-second shot? Yeah. 10 second, we moved. Like it's a market open ass candle. Like it was a warm candle. Like if I can pull it like the, can I pull it the 5-second? Like it is an obvious war candle probably. Yeah, shit is. I didn't care. I just said, yo, fucker, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I risked 1.5 on this game. Targeted my profit level of 2.2. I just said, yo, fuck, I'm cooked. I went down in the kitchen, and then I came back. So, yo, fuck, I didn't get stopped out. Wait, what I also want to emphasize, why I entered right here, is because we had stacked L3. That's because I wrote this shit down. At the moment we were right here, I wrote this down and went on my phone, which insecure because I didn't want to take this 2-minute and wanted to take the 10:30 open high low, open low high close, which we end up getting. And I'm just the fucking goat because backtesting is such a nice thing. And we ended up sweeping this high. He is not in a very gay, he is very gay. It's not showing any shit. I went break even once we closed above this range because the B&Q, the Ronin break even method, went break even right there. We got a bit of a move down, then pushed higher. Yeah, and then we got another news candle. I don't know if it's there. Oh, not really. It was just a good candle. It was just a good candle. I just hit full take profit. Overall, good day. I'm trading to the best of my ability. Trading to the best of my ability. Let me just show you that bitch. Now look at this. Like I'm up 6.45% on May. What the fuck? What the fuck? Like last 7 days. Last 30 days here plus 6%. What the fuck am I cooking? Shit. NQ 28th of May. Yesterday I took no trade right here. Bullish. Bias was right. Did I fall my hard time frame? Oh, this is like, yeah, I would say yes. Although this high was a 1 hour intermediate term high. I want to emphasize what is important because by my bias was so bullish, although we snagged this internal high, was ES just swept all-time highs, which just means that ES is like completely goated and just completely bullish at this point. And we swept this high and just got a huge rebalance into this 5 and started to see bullishness again, so this just didn't hold any significance for me. So yes, first trade break evens, second trade was a win. And satisfied hope that I would just say kinda because I was emotional. Like I took the 2 trades I wanted. Yeah, it's like a thing between kinda and yes. It's like I took the trades I wanted to take, but I was emotional all of the day. Like in this phase of the market, I was yes, but in this phase, I wanted to do long because I got stopped out to break even and started to see price going into my favor. I was still bragging a yes, I think. Yeah, of course, like I didn't take any gate trades, so good. RR on this shit was +1 to 1.4. 1.4R and PNL was +2.2, right? At first setup was here we also had 945 open low high close. So I forgot to mention the P03 behind this trade. So we had stack P. Well, 930 opened high. It was last one, last stack P03. But I would probably just rate this maybe a minus setup just because of the structure we have to the upside not being the best. I don't know what the fuck I cooked. Like, this trade is good, but just out of screen time, I knew this shit would play out. Like, if I have not backtested all of these sessions, like, all of this, I wouldn't have took this trade, probably. Second trade for me was, I think there was nothing better. I guess this is genuinely the best setup, I believe. This is genuinely the best setup. See also how we rejected this PPR. From this PPR, I think what could have been better? Time was good. Oh yeah, time on the entry. I thought about fine, I'm entering at 10:40, and in 5 minutes new P03 opens. I would just say it's an A or an A plus setup. Only thing could have been better is the time. Only thing that could have been better is the time. Fucking 16-minute trade recap, fucking much too long, so I'm just... Yo, I got a like on the video. I got another like. Oh my god. It is getting liked. What the fuck, bro? I'm getting famous. Getting famous. Let's just put on more work, bro. Let's just keep this grind. Pass my first eval demo because I'm gay as fuck, but let's just keep that pace. Let's just keep that.